To the online exam demo of Msbte. This video would help you to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please read all the instructions carefully and watch this video completely to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please note exam process. Online examination URL, Android app details and login credentials will be shared with examinee prior to the examination via SMS on the mobile number shared by examinee to the institute. The examinee shall log in on the summer 2020 examination URL or mobile app M.S.B.T.E exam available in Play Store as soon as he or she receives the SMS notification. You can directly enter credentials and log in to start online exam as per your respective exam schedule. Please note system requirement for online exam. Personal laptop or desktop computer or Android smart mobile phone or tablet in working condition should be used. Internet connection of at least 1 MB per second or more is required. Examinee has to keep his or her device in working condition by charging it, maintaining sufficient balance, in case of prepaid, clearing outstanding dues, in case of postpaid, and equipped with a proper internet pack for the exam. Examinees to use latest Google Chrome internet browser. Please note online exam format. Exam consists of 40 multiple choice questions, MCQ. You need to attempt any 30 MCQ out of 40 MCQ. Each MCQ has 4 answer options out of which, 1 option is the correct answer. Each question carries 1 mark. There is no negative marking for the wrong answers. In case examinee attempts more than 30 MCQ, maximum 30 correct MCQ shall be considered for final evaluation or marks. The duration for the examination is 1 hour. Examinees which are marked PWD will get extra time as per their permission over the scheduled duration. Please note steps to download app from Google Play Store. Click on the link provided via SMS from your Android smart mobile phone to download and install the official Msbte exam app from the Google Play Store. Alternatively, open Google Play Store app on your Android smart mobile phone. Search for Msbte exam and install. Instructions for device camera. In order to verify the identity of the examinee, the image of the examinee will be captured through inbuilt camera of the device during the examination. Please make sure your device camera is working properly. Light should be good enough in the room where examinee is appearing for the exam. There should be sufficient light on the examinee's face to make it visible to the device camera. Please note exam timetable. M.S.B.T.E is conducting summer 2023 examinations of ICTE approved regular courses of final semester or final year students from 6th of October 2020 onwards. The examinee can log in to the activated online examination link using his or her login credentials. The time slot for the online examination is 9 AM to 1 PM, morning session slot 1, and 2 PM to 6 PM, afternoon session slot 2. An examinee logging in this slot will get 1 hour from the time of login. M.S.B.T.E will conduct a mock online examination from 30th of September 2020 and 1st of October 2020 to make the students conversant with the online examination procedures. The device used for mock exam should preferably the same which examinee intend to use while appearing for final exam. Please note mock exam format. The device used for mock exam should preferably the same which examinee intend to use while appearing for final exam. Each examinee shall take the mock online examination to get used to the examination login, using all the features of the test. In case the examinee does not have facility to appear for the online examination from his or her location, he or she shall contact the principal of his or her institute and request to make arrangement for the online examination at a nearby polytechnic institute. Please note important instructions for online test. Examinee shall clear the place around the examination setup in terms of presence of books or written notes or photocopied matter or gadgets containing information related to examination and presence of persons other than examinee from around the examination setup. The examinee shall not move away from the examination setup till the examination is completed. In case the examinee feels that any question or its answer options are not correct, he or she can note down the question number, question and the options and report it as grievance to the principal of his or her institute after the online examination is over. In case an examinee receives call, notification or intends to switch browser on the device on which he or she is attempting online examination, the online examination gets interrupted. Hence, candidates should strictly avoid such distractions during examination. In case the online examination is interrupted due to power failure or internet connectivity failure or any other reason, the examinee need not panic. The online examination can be resumed from the same point where it was after the problem causing interruption is resolved. The countdown timer freezes at the moment of interruption and restarts at resumption. However, in case of frequent interruption of the online examination, the examinee has to justify the interruptions with substantiating reasons. Should you seek any assistance, please call your institute helpline number. Institute coordinator numbers will be shared by SMS to students. Best of luck for your online exam.
In this video, we are going to see how we can attempt our online exam using desktop or laptop. Before appearing your online exam, please make sure that you are using your updated Chrome browser. Prior to the exam, you will be provided with one username and password. You need to enter that username and password here. After that, you need to enter the CAPTCHA code and click on login button. Please make sure that you have not logged in any other system or any other browser. In that case, system won't let you log in. If you face any issue with login, please contact your institute coordinator. Once you click on login button and get successfully logged into the system, all the exams that have been assigned to you will be visible. For example, this candidate has been assigned with 2 exams. That's why 2 exams are visible to him. Other exam related information like time duration and question count is also there. You can proceed by confirming your identity. Then system will ask you permission for your camera. You need to allow it. If you deny the permission, your exam won't get started. After that, you will be directed to a page with exam related instructions. Please read all the instructions carefully and then click on Start Exam button. Once you click on Start Exam button, the question will be visible to you. Also, there is a timer at top right of screen which denotes time till completion of exam. In this case, I still have 59 minutes till end of exam. Read the question carefully and select the circle in front of right option. You can easily navigate between the questions by clicking on Save and Next. In case you are confused between 2 or more answers, you can mark any question for review. Also, in case I want to jump to a distant question, I can do it by clicking on that digit. For example, I have clicked on 18th digit, so the question number 18 is visible to me. Also, there is one function which prevents malpractice. In case I switch window or any Chrome tab, this kind of alert will be visible to me. If the candidate does this multiple times, then there are chances of getting terminated. Please note that throughout the exam, camera will be clicking your photo at a specific time interval. For your reference, there are various kind of color codes available. For example, red color denotes current question, green color denotes attempted question, grey color denotes not attempted, blue color attempted and marked for review, purple color not attempted and marked for review. Please make sure that there is no one around you. There is no any written material available in the same room. In case your exam get interrupted, you can still resume your exam from the point you have left. In this case, once I click on resume button, I can start the exam at the point I left. Also, my answer data will be intact there. As you can see, all the answers that I have given before are available, and I have not lost any data. Once I am done with my exam, I can go to the last question and click on end exam button. Once I click on end exam button, a summary of attempted, not attempted and review question will be displayed to me. Once I confirm the same, I will click on yes button. Once you click on yes button, your exam will get submitted. After submission, a summary of attempted, not attempted and review question will be available. Welcome to M.S.B.T.E. For starting your online exam, you need to allow all the permissions to M.S.B.T.E. exam app. Once you allow all the permissions like camera, microphone and location to the exam app, you will be directed to login page. On login page, you need to enter your username and password. This username and password will be provided to you prior the exam by using SMS. Once you log into the system, all the exams that have been assigned to you will be visible to you. Also, other exam related information like time duration, number of questions will also be available there. Once you verify the exam, you can click on proceed button. Now, you need to confirm your identity. Once you confirm your identity, you will be directed to exam instruction page. Here, all exam related instructions will be available. Please make sure that you have read all the exam related instructions carefully and then click on start exam after reading the instructions. Now, the exam page will be available to you. At the top of screen, there is a timer which denotes time till completion of exam. Means in this case, I still have 59 minutes till completion of exam. Read answer and questions carefully and click on the circle in front of right option. You can easily navigate between questions by clicking on save and next. In case you are confused between two answers, you can mark that question for review. Also, there are various color codes like red color denotes current question, green color denotes attempted question, grey color denotes not attempted question, and purple color and blue color denotes review questions. Please note that throughout the exam, camera will be capturing your photos at a specific time interval. In case you switch the app, the exam may get terminated. So make sure there are no other background apps running your mobile. In case your exam get interrupted, your answer data still be saved. For example, here I got one interruption, but still I have my answer data intact here. The back key will not be functional in the exam. A message will be shown if you click on back key that is not allowed, exam is in progress. In case you accidentally get out of this app, you can still resume your exam. For doing this, you have to go to that app again and need to click on resume button. Once you click on resume button, the exam will get started at the point you left. The answer data will still get saved For example, here I have not lost any data. In case you are done with your exam, you can go to the last question and click on End Exam button. Here, summary of attempted, not attempted, and review question will be shown to you. Once you click on Submit, your exam will get submitted and final status of exam will come as completed. Now you can log out of the system. Best of luck for your online exams.